Let's say you invest in a super undervalued stock. They offer a super high dividend yield and your money doubles. Sounds great, right? Until you realize that 12% of all debts in America are caused by the product that they are selling. How'd that make you feel? Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting video. Today we're going to be talking about socially responsible investing, also known as SRI, and environmental and social governance, also known as ESG. You're probably wondering, what in the world is SRI and ESG? Well, socially responsible investing is when you invest in companies that have positive social impacts. You're probably also thinking, okay, that's nice, but why should I care? Well, I'll give you 5 good reasons and some interesting facts, which I bet will answer your question. But before we do that, let's take a deep dive and understand what ESG is. The E in ESG stands for environment. The environmental component factors a variety of elements that illustrate a company's impact on the earth in both positive and negative ways. In simple terms, a company that looks after the earth deserves your dollars. S is for social. The social component consists of people-related elements such as company ethics and issues that impact employees, customers, consumers, and suppliers, both in the company and in greater society. G is for governance. The corporate governance component relates to the board of directors and company oversight, such as management-centric versus shareholder-friendly attitude. Simply put, this is how well the business is run. All that's good, but back to what's on your mind. So what? For decades, shareholders purely focused on hefty returns. But modern investors like you are starting to realize that investing in unethical companies just for good returns is too high a price for society to pay. Wouldn't it be nice to invest in companies that are good for the environment, get good returns, and build a brighter future for you and your future generations? Is that too much to ask? If you're still not convinced, here are 5 facts related to SRI and ESG that might persuade you. Number 1, 81 trillion. Globally, there's an $81 trillion market cap for ESG and SRI related companies. That is a huge number that you cannot ignore. Number 2, 12 trillion. In the US in 2018, $12 trillion in assets were invested in sustainable, responsible, and impactful companies. Number 3, 38%. Between 2016 and 2018, there's been a 38% increase in socially responsible investing, and this growth continues into 2018 and 2019. Like I mentioned earlier, modern investors don't just care about their wallets, but they also care about the world and the society that we live in today. Number 4, 93%. 93% of Fortune 250 companies publish a corporate responsibility report. They know that investors care about how they're positively impacting society. Number 5, ESG returns are better. Look at this graph. The stock of sustainable companies outperform their less sustainable counterparts. So my dear viewers, the next time you read about a company or go and get ready to invest in one, be sure to ask yourself, is this company socially responsible? What does this ESG look like? I know many modern trading platforms let you view that. Also, if you haven't already, be sure to hit the subscribe button and like this video. Thank you so much. I appreciate all your support. Also, do remember that COVID-19 is still a pandemic, so this is no time to drop our guards. Please continue to stay safe. This is your Teenage Investor, signing off.